Hey everyone, it's Eric G from Around the House. I'm teaming up with Cam Anderson, the epoxy live edge master from Blacktail Studio, for his biggest project yet, a full home remodeling on his stunning Blacktail Ranch. We're talking about this charming but dated farmhouse, from lead paint chic to a modern functional dream home, structural fixes, smart layouts, custom woodworking flair, real budgets, hiccups, pro tips, all documented step by step. If you're a Blacktail fan or love epic renovations, this is your series. Head to my YouTube channel right now, search Around the House Eric G, subscribe, and check out the Blacktail Ranch playlist. Cam's intro video is live, and a fresh episode will be dropping very soon. Don't miss this transformation and subscribe today.
Hold on tight. We have a great Around the House show coming up this weekend. Help us out and subscribe on your favorite podcast player. In the first hour of the Around the House show,
Eric G. and John Dudley sit down with Skyler Thomas from Trim Joist. They talk about how the groundbreaking Trim Joist system can make that new construction project or remodel much easier to build.
With Trim Joist, you don't need a dog boy. And I would miss having a dog boy. And that's who always ends up with the hole saw, like the cheapest guy on the crew. You're like, sorry, dude, but it's your day to get under the house.
Yeah, this is what you're going to go do all day long, right?
Yeah, 80-year-old true dimensional timber. You're like, no, good luck, kid. And they're down there. They're frustrated. They quit caring about structural issues. They're like, I don't care where the hole is.
Yeah, they're just trying to brute through it, right? So.
Yeah. And that's the thing, and you think about how many days of that and cleanup and everything else. And man, with HVAC systems getting so much more complex, because it's not just putting in the gas-fired, heat in there. That's a central air system and an AC unit, maybe. We're now seeing ERVs. We're seeing all.
In the second hour, we welcome back Wendy Glaister from Wendy Glaister Interiors, and we talk about fun late winter DIY projects for your home.
But you'll notice a major change in your morning routine.
It's so much better than Johnny's in Columbia here, because you should see what they do for water heaters down there. They don't heat water to the bathroom. They have an instant water heater that goes in line to the shower head that they run a 20 amp electrical circuit over to, and the wires are exposed, including the connectors. And you just stay in the shower and the hot water comes out of there and it makes it right at the shower head. And it looks like some kind of Jack Kevorkian shower system. It's not good.
People don't get electrocuted? I mean, I hope to God, no, but that doesn't seem okay.
Nah, it just tingles a little bit. No, kidding. It'll change your morning routine. No, it's not everywhere. I mean, there are water. The place I'm in now has a actual water heater, right? Gas. But yeah, there's a lot of them. And what I was going to say, Eric, is we got
all that and more on Saturday's Around the House show with Eric G. If you work in the trades or construction or design business, check out the Around the House Pro Insider podcast. That is back. Just find it on your favorite podcast player. If you want to hear more, listen right here on this podcast player to find out the answers. That's a wrap, folks. Another wild ride of home maintenance mayhem and project starting swagger in the books. Huge thanks to our awesome audience for tuning in. You're the real MVPs, keeping us on air while we dodge rogue ladders and those ancient website crashes. Catch you this Saturday for more laughs, tips, and maybe a few questionable DIY decisions. Until then, keep your hammers swinging and your Wi-Fi strong. See you soon. Hey folks, Jim here, producer of Around the House show. You're loving the audio tips right now, but here's something new. Our full-length episodes and expert interviews are now on YouTube as video, so you can watch the demos, tool close-ups, and guest interviews, or just hit play and listen like a regular podcast. Just search Around the House show on YouTube, hit that red subscribe button, and turn on notifications. It's free. And you'll get the best of both worlds, visual how-tos when you want them, audio when you're on the go. Don't forget to subscribe on your podcast app too. Thanks. And now back to the show.